So what may have started as a bit of a joke, Dogecoin or Dogecoin, could it be the next social media runner? It's gaining a lot of attention online in social media groups and the hype is starting to begin. So what we'll do is take a look at the trading setups and the price action and see where we could get involved in the action and see if it can actually get that momentum to run higher. So stick around and we'll talk about it after the break. Hi there traders, welcome to this quick video where we're going to take a look at Dogecoin or Dogecoin, however you want to call it. So there's been a lot of attention, social media attention surrounding this cryptocurrency, and it seems that it's set and everyone's looking for that, looking for the run higher in anticipation that it's going to hold these levels. So what I want to do is just walk through the potential trade setup and where we see the action playing out and what we see actually happening. So we'll start off with what you see on the screen here. It's a daily chart. So we'll just walk through that now. You can see that it pretty much went sideways for quite a while. It's become a bit of a cult following, I think probably because of the name, and it's turned into something that actually could be quite useful, supposedly. But that aside, you can see the price action has been heading sideways, and then it had a sudden ramp higher where it ramped up from, say, 0.7% up to 7 cents. So quite a bit of a gain there. It has since come off, and we've got a couple of red candles coming in. But what you can see on the daily, we're starting to hold a higher low. Now, it's not confirmed just yet, but we are starting to hold some higher levels where maybe it's just due to the attention, or maybe it's due to something more fundamental, like quality of the actual cryptocurrency. But we'll have to wait and see. All we're worried about is the price action and what's starting to play out, or where we start to see a bit of value or entry setups. So if we go down now, we'll just drop down to an hourly chart. I'll just maximize that a bit. You can see it's quite clear. You can see that ramp up followed by some quick selling, and you've got to expect that. You can't expect that kind of action to continue on when it goes near vertical. You're going to get those sharp corrections, people locking away gains, and really, if you're on board that, you're either going to hold it or you're going to take a quick profit, or at least a partial exit, and see what happens to the remaining. You can see it did sell off, and then it kept going down. And what you're seeing is I guess the steepness of that move down, or the aggressiveness of that sell-off, started to peter out. And then you've got this little pop-up here. That was quite aggressive little run-up. And then we started to get some more selling. So what we're trying to do, or what the price action is trying to do, is work out all that selling pressure. Anyone that wants to sell is trying to work it out of the system, put them back on the sidelines, and then get some buyers more and more interested in it as the price action goes along. And you can see that we pushed down to this level here. It's around 2 cents or so, 2.2. Started to holding an inside level around 3 cents, 2.9, 3 cents, and then starting to lift again. So what that's showing you is that buyers are happy to step in around this zone. Okay, around that 2.2, 3, 2.9, 3, and starting to hold it and lift it back up. Now, we don't know just yet whether or not this selling pressure is abated, and they're going to clear the way and see if buyers start to lift it, and they're going to clear the way, obviously, and just market's going to run up or not. So really what we're looking for is this zone where it reacted probably a few hours ago, it pushed up into this zone around the 4.1, 4.2. If we just make that a little wider, what I'd be looking for is more likely that sort of sharp push through. I want to see that get through on a decent amount. I don't want to see just sort of a little, if we just make this a bit better, a little move through. What I'm interested in is more of an exaggerated move through, and really perk the interest in maybe, we're spiking up to this level, even slightly above. And then from there, you want to see what happens on the first pullback. If we get that first pullback into the zone and we start to get support, then I think that'd be an ideal place to start thinking about some long entries and see if we can get that run up and see if that's going to be the move. We'll just draw that up there. If that's going to be the move that's going to take us up and through, at least to retest these highs where, if we're going from, say, 4 cents up to 7 cents or 8 cents, you double your money, it's 100% gain, let alone if that really starts to jam up through those highs at 7, 8, 9, 10 cents and above, really starts to get a bit of a move along. And there's no reason why it can't. It's done quite a bit of consolidation here. It's starting to find some support. And if we get that start to ramp up again, then I think it'll be time to jump on board and just see how that action plays out. And obviously, once you're up and running, managing your risk appropriately. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that. Look out for more videos to come, and we'll speak to you again soon. Well, we hope you enjoyed that, traders, and thanks very much for listening. Remember, if you did like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content, and sign up to the website to get access to all our premium videos for free. Speak to you again soon.